Here are my 3 most complimented pants.
First is this pair by Bare Bottom. I have loved these ever since I got them in a partnership probably 6 or 8 months ago. I've liked Bare Bottom for years, but I had never got any of their clothing. But these have been a staple in my wardrobe ever since. They're very flattering. They're almost like joggers, but they also dress up really nicely. They're tapered and they have this elastic around the ankle, which kind of just keeps the whole thing just very form-fitting. They're very functional, but they also look really nice too. I've been a huge fan. I had a pair of these that were khaki. Khaki isn't really my color, but navy very much is. Easily one of my most complimented and favorite pairs of pants to wear. Next is this pair of green slacks. I genuinely have no idea what brand they're from, but I'm pretty sure we got them at a Goodwill. But they have been one of my favorite pairs of slacks for a while. It's funny, green isn't my favorite color by any stretch of the imagination, but I do think it works well on me. They're very form-fitting. They're kind of tapered slacks down near the feet. I tend to like to cuff them at the bottom, and they have a nice little lined pattern going on. It would almost be plaid, except that there's no alternative color. They also have this nice like double button thing that I really like, and they're very easy to wear out, kind of like this with a white crop top, or you can dress them up very easily. And they're very flattering. Last is probably my personal favorite pair. These slacks are by Perry Ellis. They're a nice navy. They have that lined, almost checkered pattern. I don't know, there's something about a nice pair of navy slacks that is just, it just works. They're super breathable, very comfortable, pretty flexible. I personally like to wear them cuffed with a pair of espadrilles, and they're very flattering.